Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So just want to inform you guys that I'll be having a sale on my website from 14th to 18th of this month. That is from Tuesday to Saturday. So all the wigs that I'm going to show you in today's video are going to be $29, but then after 18th they'll go back to the normal price. Also, I wanted to inform you that you can shop 1 to 5, 6 or 7 weeks and shipping fee will still be the same. Countries like Italy, Germany, UK, US, Canada. Okay, shipping fee is $29. So if you shop 1 week, shipping fee will still be $29. If you shop 5, 6, 7 weeks, shipping fee will still be $29. As you shop, make sure you check the total because of the weight. So they charge the shipping fee according to the weight, but you find like maybe 5, 6 weeks shipping, the weight is below 2 kg, so shipping is just $29. So as you shop, make sure you check the cut or the total weight. The more you shop, the more you save. I think that was it. Actually, the reason why I decided to do this sale is because of the 200k subscribers. I just want to appreciate you guys for 200k subscribers. I know I hit 200k subscribers and then something bad really happened, and you all know I lost my mom. It has been so tough. I'm also just trying to adjust. I really don't know. I don't even want to talk about it today, but I hope I'll talk about it in future. I'll put all the photos in these videos for the wigs that are going to be $29, and also I'll put the links in the description box down below. Again, the sale starts on Tuesday, not today, not tomorrow, but on Tuesday, on 14th. Yeah, and please guys, the sale is just for 5 days, 14th to 18th. Please don't inbox me on 19th and tell me you want the wigs at $29, because this is just for this period. Okay, so you can shop from the website or you can order directly through my WhatsApp or through my email, because also I realized most of my clients prefer just WhatsApp and some prefer website. So yeah, you can DM me on Instagram, you can text me on WhatsApp, or you can send me an email, or you can shop from the website. But you can just shop directly from the website, which will be easier as well.
Down to the ground, you're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you, tell myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I hurt myself for you. On the ground, I know the truth. I know the truth. Oh, now you say those things, then shut me out. Got no clue what you have found. I'm a rose in thorns, but you cut me down. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you, tell myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I hurt myself for you. I know the truth. Oh, now inside. Butterflies fly with me tonight. These feelings inside. Butterflies.
That was it for today, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.